Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm, and I want to talk about the repercussions of not telling the truth on a job application. What can happen? Well, a very serious situation happened today with a new client. He injured himself on the job. He was a truck driver, injured himself on the job, informed his supervisor timely of the accident and the need for medical care through work comp, and they started that process, and he goes to the doctor. About 3 days later, he's informed by the supervisor and by management that because he did not disclose a prior workers' comp claim on his job application, that's considered lying on the application. That was grounds, in their opinion, the company's opinion, a big trucking company, that's grounds for termination because that's fraud in their mind. Had he disclosed that he had a prior on the job injury and an accident, I don't know if he would have gotten the job or not, but he consciously made a decision to not disclose that he had a prior back injury and that he had a prior work comp claim. He might have still gotten the job because, as it turns out, as I was interviewing him, it was a minor sprain of his back. He was only out of work for about 2 weeks. No surgery, not even physical therapy, just some home stretching exercises. And he went back to work for that same employer, not the one that he's with now, but now he finds himself terminated and out of a job. He's likely not going to be able to recover unemployment compensation. He will not be eligible for weekly workers' compensation checks, but he will be eligible, hopefully, to get his medical care. But that's all that he'll be able to get. The moral of the story is tell the truth on your job applications, even if you think it's going to hurt you. You should be able to, if you put those types of things down, you should be able to discuss with a potential employer how it's not as bad of a situation as the applicant as you may think that it is. Always tell the truth. The cover-up is usually worse, way worse. And then this situation cost a man his job, cost a man weekly work comp benefits and benefits at the end of his case. If you have a situation like this, if you've been hurt on the job and you think that you may not have told the truth on the application, give us a call. We can figure out how to deal with this. We can get out hopefully in front of it so that you're not terminated or don't have benefits cut off. 205-930-6900 is our office number. Nomberglaw.com is our website. We can also be found on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter.